Hi students, I want to show you a couple of things about your homework. One of the things that we're going to do today is look at the modules, and I want you to go to week 7. You can read the goals for week 7. There are 4 goals. We're going to start studying present progressive next week. And I also want you to look at the homework for Module 7, Week 7, and this is the homework. So we've got some exercises to do in the book here, and also you're going to make a Flipgrid video, and that's mainly what I want to talk to you about today. So let's go back to the video assignment, and you're going to click on Make a Flipgrid Video, your daily routine. So what I want you to do is I want you to make a video describing your daily routine. For example, what time do you get up in the morning? What do you do after that? Do you go to work? Do you go to class? Tell us some interesting things about your daily routine. Okay? And then I want you to talk about your daily routine, what you like about your daily routine, what you don't like about it, and what you want to change about it. In other words, use some non-action verbs like, love, hate, want. Okay? Do you like waking up at 7 o'clock in the morning? Why or why not? How do you want to change your routine to make it better for you? And finally, I also want you to respond to 2 students' videos. Give comments and suggestions to 2 other students about their routines. Okay? So you get 10 points if you talk about your daily routine and use the present tense correctly, because remember, we use simple present tense to talk about routines. And then you also get 10 points for using some non-action verbs to say what you like and what you don't like about your daily routine and how you want to make your routine better for you. And then you get 5 points when you respond to 2 other classmates' videos. Okay? So in order to start, what you want to do is you want to click on this button below, and that will take you to Flipgrid, and you will see the same questions here. Describe your daily routine, tell us what you like about your daily routine and what you don't like, and then respond to 2 other videos. And then you can click on this and you can watch my video. Okay? I made a video about my daily routine also as an example for you to follow. Okay? All right, well, good luck with this assignment, and I hope you have a good weekend. This is due next Thursday. Okay? See you in class on Tuesday. Bye.